Hi friends, I have a challenge for you. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Okay then. Those 10 little ladybugs all wanted to go home. And they all went one by one, by one, by one. But what if one day they wanted to get home a little quicker? What if they had 2 cars to drive in? We are going to see how many different ways we can make 10 by putting them in the 2 cars. The first thing I'm going to start with is the first thing you're going to do is figure out how to make the 2 cars. So really all you need is something that draws a line in between, because we don't need it to look like a car. It can if you want, but for mine, I just used tape on a big piece of paper. I wonder what other ways we could do it. You could use 2 pieces of paper, or you could even use hair bows or flowers or anything. The important thing is you have 2 different blank spaces. Now we need the ladybugs. You could use rocks or seashells if you're at the beach like one of our friends. You can really use anything that you have 10 of. But if you really want to challenge yourself and work on your scissor skills, I have an idea for you. Are you ready? If you accept the first challenge of making your own ladybugs, any color, you can even make them any shape and any size. If you accept that challenge, then when I say go, you're gonna go get scissors, markers, and paper. Ready, set, pause, and go. Now let's think, what shape are ladybugs? Are they squares? That doesn't look like a ladybug. I know, they're triangles. Huh. That doesn't look much like a ladybug either. What shape is a ladybug? Let's try a circle. Let's see. That looks pretty close. So maybe I need to make some circles, but how many? 10, okay. I can do that. Let me get my pen ready. I don't want to lose my cap, so I'm going to put it on the back and point it towards me. Are you guys ready? Make a fist go like this. Use 2 fingers, pinch, pinch, pinch. I'm going to pinch it on the waves and flip it. Let's see here. Okay, I'm going to draw my first circle for my ladybug. That's kind of big. Do you think I'll have room for all of them? I guess we could find out. We'll try a couple different sizes. There we go. I've drawn my ladybug shape. What do I need to do with these? Oh, these are used for what? For cutting? Okay. And see, I'm going to take the small part, and that's always going to go on the top. Families, you can put some tape here, so they'll always know where to put it. Guess what? We use the pinch song for this almost too. We just add 1 more finger. Make a fist go like this. Use 2 fingers, pinch, pinch, pinch. And instead of pinching and flipping, you're going to put your 2 fingers here. And look who I added. All right, so I've got my scissors. I've got these 2 fingers right here. If they keep coming out, you could always put something there to hold on to. Sometimes they want to join the party, but this isn't the time for them. So I'm going to pick up my paper with my helper hand. And then you notice my chicken wing is bark, bark, bark in, and I'm always coming up and away from my body. All right, let's try this one here. Do you see how I'm turning the paper with my helper hand? And you know what? If you try to do this and it doesn't come out the way it looks here, that's okay. I have had 37 years to practice with scissors. I find it, oh, this is tricky. What am I gonna do? I think I'm going to make a cut there and free the ladybug. Now I have my ladybug. And you can decorate her however you want. I may even put clusters on mine. Friends, if you want to do the ladybug challenge, you're going to need some paper, some scissors, and a marker. You can make your ladybugs any way you want. You could make them big, you could make them small, you could make them square-shaped if you want. Really, it's whatever you want to do. Yours won't end up looking exactly like mine. That's awesome. Okay, I think, I've made all my ladybugs. But will you help me count to make sure? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, wow, I did get them all. But my breath seems to be blowing them. They're very delicate. We have them all. But you know what? This little one says, I'm crowded. And he wants to go in the other car. So let's see here. How many do we have left? We have one here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more makes 10. Ooh, so you can split them up with 9 and 1. Uh-oh, another little one's getting grumpy. He wants to go in this car. Now we have how many? 2, that's right. And I'm gonna make my clusters, put them back together. How many do we have here? Try guessing how many that is. First guess. And now let's prove it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This cluster looks the same, so it's also a 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can do 8 and 2. There's a lot of different ways to make 10. Here's your challenge, young mathematicians. These ladybugs keep fighting. We need to get them in different cars. Can you show me other ways we can split up these 10 ladybugs? Because I need some help. Mine are really arguing. If you happen to find any other ways, post pictures, make a video. We'd love to see. And you can share with your friends.